Hey everyone, got the dreaded Apple Pay restricted or your account has been locked for security reasons message? Don't worry, here's the best method to fix it quickly in 2025. So Apple Pay may restrict Apple Pay due to suspicious activity, multiple failed verification attempts, ID or billing mismatches, or security flagging from your bank. You'll typically receive a notification via email or in your wallet app. So you can resolve it with multiple methods like if your Apple Cash account requires identity verification, it can require identity verification, of course. So you have to go on iPhone, you have to open the wallet app, then tap to your Apple Cash card. On iPad, open the setting app, tap wallet and pay Apple Pay, and tap your Apple Cash card. And on Apple Watch, open the Apple Watch on your iPhone, tap wallet and Apple Pay, then tap your Apple Cash card. So after that, tap verify identity, then follow the on-screen steps. Make sure the personal information you're entering during identity verification is accurate. And if your Apple Cash account is in review, restricted while under review, you can't send or receive money with Apple Cash or add money to your account. If your account is locked while under review, you also can't transfer money to your app or make purchases with Apple Pay. So reviews take up to 2 business days. When the review is complete, your account will either be active or there will be a message on your Apple Cash card with your account status. So if your Apple Cash account is restricted for your identity verification fails multiple times, if there are multiple accounts tied to the same social security numbers, if there's suspected fraud on the account, if your account is restricted, you can still transfer your Apple Cash balance to your bank or use it make purchases like Apple Pay. If your account is restricted and there are no restrictions provided, you have to contact an Apple Cash specialist at Green Dot Bank. So that's some methods you can uh, just unrestrict your Apple Cash account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.